You're doing everything right. You show up on time. You work the overtime. You skip the expensive vacations, but at the end of every month, the math just doesn't add up. You're exhausted, but your net worth hasn't moved an inch in 2 years. Most people think the reason they are stuck is the system. They blame inflation, the volatile housing market, or their boss. And those things are real. But there is a deeper hidden reason why hard work is not making you wealthy. It is because you are playing defense against a world you cannot control instead of playing offense with the variables you can. Today, we are going to audit your financial locus, the invisible line between being a victim of the economy and being the master of your own. If you are tired of running in place, this is for you. Think about where your mental energy goes. Do you spend your lunch break complaining about interest rates? Do you get angry at TikToks of 22-year-olds and Ferraris? When you focus on things you have zero power to change, you are practicing external control. You are waiting for a politician to lower prices or a boss to give you a fair raise. The hard truth is this: the world does not owe you a fair shake. If your financial survival depends on the world being fair, you have already lost. Most people are screaming at the clouds instead of patching the holes in their boat. The global economy is louder than ever. It is designed to keep you outraged and distracted because an outraged person is a consumer, not a producer. To break out, we have to shrink your world down to the only economy that matters, the me-conomy. To win the long game, you have to stop watching the global economy and start managing the me-conomy. This is the circle of things where your effort actually yields a result. Let's do a quick audit. Ask yourself 3 questions. Am I maintenance working or growth working? Hard work at a dead-end job is just maintenance. It keeps the lights on, but it does not build a future. If your job does not offer a path to equity or high-value skill acquisition, you are not building. You are just paying for the right to work again tomorrow. Is my investable gap growing? Wealth is not about how much you make. It is about the gap between your income and your ego. If your raises always go toward a better car, you are just a richer version of a poor person. Am I skill stacking? Loyalty to a company is not security. Your only real security is a skill set the market values deeply. The future belongs to people who combine skills in ways that are hard to replace. Most people can't answer these questions because they simply don't have the data. That's why I built the Me-conomy calculator. I've dropped a link in the description so you can grab it right now. It is designed to help you calculate your true investable gap and visualize exactly how long it'll take you to reach escape velocity based on your current path. But before you run the numbers, you need to understand how to actually widen that gap. People who build wealth do not work harder. They work differently. They shift from asking, how do I get more money from them, to asking, how do I make myself more valuable to the world? Step 1. The 1% rule. Do not try to double your income today. Find 1% of your spending to cut and 1% of your time. Even 15 minutes to invest in a new skill. Step 2. Automate the discipline. If you have to choose to save every month, you will eventually fail. Self-control runs out. Build a system where your future self is paid before you ever see the money. Step 3. Ignore the noise. If a headline makes you feel hopeless, turn it off. Hopelessness is external. Action is internal. Look at your skill stack like a tower. One skill is a block. Add communication, now you are a leader. Add technology leverage, now you are rare. The me-conomy thrives at the intersection of skills, not in the repetition of just one. The moment you stop saying, I cannot because of this, and start asking, how can I despite this, your brain begins searching for solutions. This is the shift from a victim mindset to an ownership mindset. Hard work is required, but without internal control, it is just a treadmill. You have to stop being a passenger in your own life. You are the driver. The economy will always be noisy. Your job is to stay focused on your boat, your compass, and your me-conomy. Tonight, look at your bank statement. Do not look at what the stores took from you. Look at what you chose to give away. Identify one status expense, something you bought to look a certain way, and remove it. Redirect that money into an investment account or into a course that builds your skill stack. That is your first step toward playing the long game. If this resonated with you, drop a 100 in the comments. We are building a community of people who take ownership. Subscribe, and let's get to work. Play the long game. I will see you in the next one.